Hello, this is Robert McKim, founder and president of the Community Awareness Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol, bringing to you another snow storm report. Well, right now it's not snowing, but it had snowed all morning long. That's early morning long, and got about an inch of snow right now. It's been blowing, so there's not a lot on my snow gauge there. Actually, it says less than an inch, but when I measured it in other places, it was an inch of snow. You can hear the Ohio Department of Transportation trucks down getting loaded with salt. There's already been some accidents where people slid off the road into ditches that the fire department was called out for. So this is it's a wet, heavy snow, and it makes things, the roads and sidewalks, slicker than dry, fluffy snow does. So be careful out there if you're going anywhere. I did not go to Sunday school and church because of this weather. I didn't want to take a chance because the church where I go to is up on a hill. You have to go down and around several sharp curves and up a hill before you can get to the church. And there's already been in the past accidents on that curve coming down the hill. So I just don't like going out in this kind of weather if I don't have to, because I'm the church and I can worship in my own home. I do like worshiping and being around other like-minded people, but my health and safety is what really God wants me to be concerned about. He also wants me to be concerned about Renee and my own family than actually being concerned about other people, even though we're supposed to love and help other people when they're in need. But how much can somebody be in need? I mean, you're supposed to be able to, you're supposed to, as a believer and a Christian, yes, help people when they're in need. But Proverbs 3, I can't remember the exact verse, says, when it's in your power to do so. Not all the time and 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 all the time. Yes, it gets to be a broken record. Jesus at times did not help people. There was times in the Bible that Jesus just refused to go somewhere because he was tired of people constantly wanting him to heal them and do things for them. You know, I'm not here to preach on this channel, but there's several of my haters that think that I should be doing things for certain people, that no matter what, I should just drop what I'm doing and go and run to their aid when they call me. But that's not what being a true Christian is about. A true Christian is being about love, to a point. And then you gotta say, listen, I love you, but you need to grow up and do things for yourself as well. I do things for myself that I can do. And it took a while for me to get to where I'm at. Because I don't love money. I don't love money. Yes, I need money to support myself and to support Renee, but I do not love it to the point that I'm greedy, like some of you haters are. You're greedy, selfish, self-centered, egotistical, self-serving, self-righteous bunch of idiots that have really... No, I mean, I've seen your kind before, because your kind is the ones that punched me in the nose when I was in junior high for carrying my Bible. But now you use the internet to do it. Keep punching me in the nose. Keep lying all your lies that you say about me, because that's all it is. One lie, build up on top of another lie, build up on top of another lie, build up on top of another lie. Eventually, you start believing your own lies. And that's why I laugh, because you're believing your own lies. I sat back and I think, these people are so full of themselves that they believe their own lies. No, I can't do nothing to really persuade you any other way than to keep making these videos and tell the truth, whether you like it or not. So I'm going to sign off for now. Just wanted to give you a heads up on the weather and let you know that, you know, it has been snowing here today. I'm going around here so you can see. God bless you. Have a blessed day.